ya Kilifi na nĩ atĩ Aigithia kuma kaunti ĩno ya Kilifi nĩ makĩũrĩtie thirikari gũkorwo ĩkĩnina mĩtaratara na ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩrĩ ho na nĩ itemi nĩ gũkorwo makĩamũkĩra maratathi ma license, makiuga atĩ ĩmwe ya mĩtaratara ĩno nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩrĩ kĩhĩnga na gũcũngĩrĩra o gũkorwo makĩte ihinda iraya. Kũringana na onjoria aya na arĩa marĩte marĩ kaunti-inĩ kana marĩ taũni-inĩ ya Malindi, Aigithia nĩ morĩtie thirikari gũkorwo ĩkĩnyihia maratathi ma license na kũrĩtua iratathi rĩmwe, kuona atĩ ona ihinda rĩrĩ magĩkoragwo makĩhũthĩra nĩ rĩmacũngagĩrĩra gũthiĩ hathara oro ũndũ ũmwe na gũthũka kwa ikonomi. Makiuga atĩ rĩu ikonomi ya bũrũri nĩ yambĩtie kwĩyarahũra na ũguo nĩ harĩ bata wa gũthara mahinda.
To create an environment, number one is the processes of licensing. Make them easier, make them faster. The approval processes, especially for land and for titles, when you make the processes easier and faster, you instill confidence in the investors. Because previously county governments and what we used to have, our local authorities, were known for inefficiencies. So we are looking forward, and I'm already seeing good signs of efficiencies, of commitment to delivery, and of quality interaction. So we are looking forward to support in terms of infrastructure.
Ambia investors yote karibuni Kilifi, ardhi ziko, rasilimali ziko, na sisi kama gavana wetu amechukua hatua hii, kama bunge pia sisi tuko tayari katika ushirikiano wowote. Sheria zozote ambazo kwamba zinaweza kuaccommodate investors wazidi kuja katika eneo letu la Kilifi kuweza kufanya biashara ili kukuza uchumi wa kaunti yetu ya Kilifi na kuunda miundo msingi ya kuvumbua nafasi za ajira kwa watu wetu wa Kilifi. Hiyo ni mambo ambayo kwamba sisi tunakumbatia zaidi, na tunazidi kumwambia gavana wetu na tunampatia ushirikiano kikamilifu kwamba hii jambo, mbali kwamba tumeleta investors wa Kilifi County wote, ni matarajio yetu pia ku accommodate investors wa national level na international level.
The challenge that we have in Malindi about investments is the issue of land. Land has been an issue here because you have investors who want to put the investments in Malindi, but the land does not have title. So you cannot put an investment of millions on a land that has no title, isn't it?